I'll do these last. I'm gonna open the Spectrum 2 cases first.
Okay.
What's going on, guys? It's your boy Breezy.
Shut the fuck up. I do that on myself. Oh, there's pink.
Oh.
Oh. Ah!
Oh.
God damn it, man.
Big yikes.
Ready? Yeah.
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 That green skin is kind of nice, actually. No one.
Yeah, but that's not worth shit.
Yeah, but it's nice.
Oh, come
Oh
on.
my god.
Twice.
Yeet. Oh my.
Are we doing this?
Oh no, there's two.
All right. Get ready for a knife right
The
here.
off-world? Ah, yeah.
Oh my god, dude.
God. Dude, these cases are not worth it.
Nope, I'm not.
Honestly, that's why they're 5 cents.
Yeah, thanks.
Oh, yeah.
I just want to get one knife, and then I'm never gonna open a case again.
Yeah, till you get on the next day.
Ah. Honestly, true.
Let's see.
Oh! Let's
yes!
go!
Ooh, wait, what's the wear? What's the wear?
It looks like minimal
It's
wear
field
field tested.
I mean, yeah.
Field
That's still,
tested,
like, a
okay.
good- Jeez.
Oh my god, don't tell me all my
That's-
luck went to a fucking pink.
It's possible.
That's tough.
Oh.
Dang. Oh, here we go. 10 more.
Alright,
No, if you get it, you gotta rename it the Croc.
you want to give me the $2 to rename it the Croc?
You just paid $50 to open 20 cases. I think you got the money done.
Oh my god, dude, I'm gonna open nothing. Oh.
I mean,
Oh, it's arrived. Off-world.
Oh.
All right,
my
now
God.
when you click open on the next case, open it with your big toe. You know what I'm saying?
With my big toe?
open it
Like
with
click,
your big
like a
toe.
left click, but with your big toe, and that all.
Alright, big toe.
Let's see.
Man is struggling.
Oh shit, I gotta actually aim it on the fucking thing.
Yeah.
There we go.
Mans is struggling.
There we go. Got it. I'm not flexible at all.
Ah.
Oh. No.
Alright, I'm slapping my mouse against my face.
All right, let's see.
The cracked opal has to be like the most disgusting.
I hit it with my nose.
I've ever seen. I cannot.
Oh my god, oh my god,
No
dude!
way.
4 more.
4 more. Yeah.
Bro, this is
Yeah, yeet! Oh fuck. Yeet.
gonna lie.
There we go.
Didn't even get to
Oh my god! Oh my god! Holy shit! Holy fucking shit!
Look at him.
Oh my god!
Are you serious?
Oh my god!
So Breezy just unboxed the knife.
Dude, that's not even a fake reaction. Oh my god! 0.05!
Bro, that's
Oh.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Factory new! Oh my god! Dude, I'm fucking shaking right now.
That's fine. I smell the knife.
Oh my god!
alive.
$446!
What?
Oh my god! Oh my god, dude! Holy shit!
Wait, mouse over real quick.
Oh my god.
Also,
Oh
it's
my. Crazy.
Ah!
that's absolutely insane.
Oh my god! Oh my god, dude.
Jesus.
How many
All right,
cases?
finish the mission.
I have 3 more.
3
I
more.
still have 10 of the patches, the new patches that came out yesterday.
Oh yeah.
Those
yeah,
are
yeah.
only $1.80 each. I don't
What
even
if you got
care.
another knife in these next.
I don't even care, dude. I don't even care what I get. I gotta do the trade ups and I gotta open up more. Holy shit, man. Fucking video content!
That's hella purples in there. What the hell?
Oh yes, let's go!
Diva skin.
This is probably like fucking
Diva.
battle scarred too.
Probably.
Oh, it's field tested.
Hello there.
This.
Oh, it did
I'm
it.
gonna let Breezy tell it. I'm gonna let Breezy tell it.
Yeah, guess what I just unboxed, bro?
No.
I don't even know how much these.
Bird. You know, it is.
Oh, banana. How much is this worth?
Oh, nice.
I will use
Wait,
it.
hold on.
Yes,
Should I open the patch packs?
Yeah, do it. You can get the Howl patch.
What are these patches?
Go. Come on. Something good.
Oh my god, that's like 30 cents.
Fuck.
Oh my god! No way! 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 No way!
What is that?
$30 bucks.
Oh.
I don't care. It's the most expensive thing in there.
Oh my god. Fuck off.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me.